Hello, fellow traders. I've spent the last decade on a quest to find the holy grail of trading strategies. You know, the one that's accurate, easy to follow, and consistently profitable without getting tangled up in a mess of false signals. If you've been in this game as long as I have, you know that such a strategy has always seemed like a distant dream. Until now. Drawing on my 10 years of experience in the markets, I've put together the ultimate trading strategy that cuts through the noise and focuses on what truly matters: consistent growth for your trading account. Whether you're starting with a small account or looking to sharpen your skills, this strategy will help you achieve your goals faster than ever before. So, get comfortable, grab a notepad, and prepare to elevate your trading to a whole new level. And while you're at it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated on our latest insights and strategies. Without further ado, let's uncover the trading strategy that's set to revolutionize your trading journey. For this strategy, I like to open EURUSD on the 15-minute chart. It works on all major Forex pairs. It can be used by day traders and scalpers. The strategy consists of 3 free TradingView indicators. Let's start with the first one. It is called the Chandelier Exit Indicator, and it was designed by Everget. The Chandelier Buy and Sell Indicator is an innovative and versatile trading tool that combines the power of the Chandelier Exit Indicator with additional buy and sell signals to help traders optimize their entry and exit points. This unique indicator utilizes the principles of volatility-based stop-loss management and incorporates the average true range to create a dynamic system that adapts to ever-changing market conditions. The Chandelier Buy and Sell Indicator uses the Chandelier Exit methodology to determine potential entry points for long and short trades. When the price crosses above the Chandelier Exit line for long trades or below the Chandelier Exit line for short trades, the indicator generates buy or sell signals respectively. This allows traders to enter the market at optimal points, maximizing the potential for profit while minimizing risk. The buy and sell signals generated by the Chandelier Buy and Sell Indicator can be further refined by adjusting the ATR period and the ATR multiplier, giving traders the flexibility to customize the indicator to suit their trading style and risk tolerance. Moreover, the indicator can be applied to various time frames and across different markets, including stocks, Forex, and cryptocurrencies, making it a versatile addition to any trading arsenal. Even though this is a powerful tool, just like any other indicator, it gives false signals, especially in range market. So to prevent these fake signals, we will add the second indicator to the chart. This tool is called SD Central Pivot Range. It was published by Satoshi Trades. The Central Pivot Range Indicator is a comprehensive and versatile tool designed to help traders identify key support and resistance levels in various time frames. Developed by Sherwin Dagonato, this indicator is based on the concept of the Central Pivot Range. The CPR indicator plots pivot points, top central and bottom central levels, offering insights into potential entry and exit points for trades. This CPR indicator allows traders to display historical daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly CPR levels. The CPR indicator calculates pivot points using the average of high, low, and close prices. The top central and bottom central levels are then calculated using the pivot point and a unique formula based on the high and low prices. Now pay close attention as we will change the settings of the indicator. We will set the number of daily CPR back to 100. We will also make some changes to the style. So the way we can filter out all the fake signals given by the Chandelier Exit is by waiting for the price to retest the pivot points. Check out this latest trade. We see the price has bounced off key levels and a buy signal occurred. The signal is confirmed by price action and has a high probability of being successful. Now, let's look at the latest sell signal. Here, the Chandelier Exit Indicator found a sell entry. The price dropped below the key levels and immediately retested them. As a result, we are able to enter the trade with confidence. To finalize our trading strategy, let's add one more indicator. It is called the MACD plus SMA 200 strategy by ChartArt. Let's open its settings and make some minor adjustments. The MACD plus SMA 200 strategy is a trading strategy that combines the MACD indicator with the SMA 200 to generate trade signals. The strategy aims to capitalize on the interactions between these two indicators to provide buy and sell signals for traders. while also offering a visual representation of market trends and conditions through the use of colors. Now to confirm a buy trade, you will need the following. First, a buy signal from the chandelier exit indicator. Second, a price rejection from the pivot level. Third, the price closed above the 200 SMA. That's it. Set the stop loss below the chandelier exit line and target 1.5 times the risk. Now let's take a look at some more examples on the 5-minute chart. Here we see that the uptrend has been confirmed. The price pulled back to pivot levels and the indicator printed a buy signal. No fake signals, just high probability trades. For sell trades, the opposite should be done. First, make sure the trend is bearish. Afterwards, monitor the chandelier buy and sell indicator. Once a sell signal has been given, wait for the price to retest the pivot level. Traders, we hope you understood the strategy. This method of trading has generated us a lot of money, and we're happy to share it with you. The only thing we ask in return is to like this video and subscribe to Magic Indicator's strategies. Now let's look at the 30-minute chart. You can see that signals given by this strategy are successful on all time frames. Traders, you must remember that before implementing any trading strategy, it is crucial to understand its performance and potential drawbacks. This is where backtesting comes into play. Backtesting is the process of evaluating a trading strategy's performance by applying it to historical market data. It helps traders understand the profitability, risk, and consistency of their trading strategies before they commit real money in live trading. We recommend TraderEdge for backtesting. This app will save you a ton of time and money. You will find all the info you need about any strategy. You can also save your favorite strategies to the library so they don't get lost. So go ahead and sign up for TraderEdge for free. We will leave a link to it in the description below.